welcome to another awesome video on my YouTube channel Tech Impact. So guys, if you are new in this channel, please make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. If you are already here, please make sure you like and share this video with your family and friends who will need this video. Thank you. So today I'll be showing you guys how you can open a Gmail account. So first of all, you open the Gmail app application, then click on your right hand top, click on those three lines, scroll down, click on add account, and select Google. Depending on the network, depending on the Google account you want to be creating, you can create a Yahoo account, you can create different ones. So I'll be doing with Gmail. That's why I click on Google account. So yeah, this okay, it has started now. You can see this is what you see. Now you have to select whether you want to open the account for yourself or to manage your business. But I will select to manage your business because I'm just creating the account for tutorial. So you put your name, type in your first name, then the second name which you want to use on the Google account. It was not reflected on the Google account, but you just need to do this. Click on next, then put in your phone number to verify if you're not the robot. There will be a code sent to you. Don't not share that code with anybody. This is the code right now that been sent out. Then the next thing is to select date of birth. The options that are available, but I want to make another option of my own. Create your own email address. So I'm going to create by my own self what I want to do. So you can also do this if you don't like the options they give you. So I'm taking best dog mg bestdog.ng. No space. .ng@gmail.com. You clicked on next. Then there will be told to select the password you have to input. So once you've done that, you click on next. Once you click on next, you'll be asked if you want to add your phone number to the Gmail account so they can send you. If whenever you forget your email, they will send you, but I don't want to do that, so I'll click on skip. It's advisable because if you want to do, it depends on what you want to use the account for. Due to it's just a tutorial account, so I'm not going to be adding my number, I'm not going to add my phone number, so I will just scroll down now and click on skip. So review your account info. Now you can see my account is ready. You can see Kechubu Asika, then bestdog@gmail.com, sorry. So click on agree. That is Google policy. Just have to click on agree. Now change second info. Take a bit time, but you then click on accept for the services. That is because you are opening it because you are using it for business. Okay, come on. Alright, quick. And now the account is already here to appear here, so I just have to close this and come back. Then go back to that place, and you can see right here the account is showing already. So once I click on the account, you will see a message from Google Community Teams to complete your account. If you want to add a profile to it, you can then do it, but I'm just gonna leave that one there for now because just a tutorial account is not a natural account, but maybe sometimes I will make use of it. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like, this video, share with your friend, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel at Tech Impact. God bless you and remain blessed. Thank you so much.